Stick up for. Mastering a supportive English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's all about support and defense. Stick up for. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you recognize acts of loyalty and courage in everyday life. Let's dive in. What does it mean to stick up for someone? Essentially, this phrase refers to the act of defending or supporting a person, usually in a situation where they are being criticized or treated unfairly. It's about being an ally and showing courage to protect others. The phrase, stick up for, has a physical connotation, suggesting that one is standing firm or holding up something valuable. It's as if you are putting a stick under something to keep it upright. This metaphor extends to the idea of supporting a person's reputation or dignity. You might use stick up for in various situations. For instance, if you see someone being bullied, you may stick up for them by telling the bully to stop. Or if someone's ideas are being dismissed in a meeting, you could stick up for their right to be heard. Let's see how stick up for works in sentences. He always sticks up for his friends when they're in trouble. I appreciate that you stuck up for me in that argument. Notice that the phrase can change form depending on the tense. Sticks up for, stuck up for, and sticking up for. There are several synonyms you can use. Defend, support, advocate for, champion. These words share the common theme of providing support or defense to someone else. And there you have it. Now you know how to use the phrase, stick up for, to describe acts of support and defense. We hope you'll stick up for the English language as you continue to learn and grow. Until next time, keep practicing and never hesitate to stand up for what's right.